Creating a healthy learning environment is paramount for the well-being and academic success of students. The AirInsight School Smart Air Quality Monitor with Wi-Fi is a groundbreaking solution designed specifically for educational settings. This intelligent device ensures continuous monitoring of air quality, providing real-time data on factors such as particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOx, carbon dioxide, CO2, levels, and humidity. What makes the AirInsight School Monitor particularly innovative is its ability to send notifications directly to parents. Through a dedicated app, parents can stay informed about the air quality in their child's classroom. This transparency not only reassures parents, but also empowers them to be more involved in their child's school environment. In addition to parent notifications, the AirInsight School Monitor generates comprehensive health reports for the school administration. These reports offer insights into the overall air quality trends, helping school officials make informed decisions to improve the learning environment. Whether it's identifying the need for better ventilation, addressing specific pollutants, or ensuring that air purification systems are functioning optimally, these reports are invaluable tools for maintaining a healthy school atmosphere. The benefits of the AirInsight School Monitor extend beyond just health. Studies have shown that improved air quality can lead to better concentration, reduced absenteeism, and an overall more conducive learning environment. By prioritizing air quality, schools can foster an environment where students and teachers alike can thrive. For educational institutions looking to enhance their commitment to student health and academic performance, the AirInsight School Smart Air Quality Monitor with Wi-Fi is an essential investment. To discover more about how this smart device can transform your school's environment, please contact me. You can find my email on my page, and I'll respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's work together to create healthier, happier classrooms with AirInsight School.